Why did God use Solomon? Why did God pick Solomon over his many children, over his many sons? Why did God choose Solomon from Bathsheba? I'm just asking because it seems as if there's, they should be accursed, right? He should be cursed. David did a terrible thing. But it's God's plan to redeem, right? Already I see Judah being redeemed. I see Rahab being redeemed. And now I'm seeing King David being redeemed, right? And his son Solomon is not cursed. There's redemption in this story. I want to put down the word redemption.